renting out this private dog paddock. Rent it out half-hour periods and you have it all to yourself with your dog. Bit of safety play for Wylie, only 10 miles from our place. So she's booked in half an hour. I'll take her up there. Off to Clay Pigeon Place. And, when you look inside, a whole field to herself. Looks like it's well fenced off for her. No, don't think she'll get out of there. You've got a whole field to yourself and the first thing you do is try and find a way out of it. You're dafty. Come on. Let's go, come on in, let's go. Oh, it's all yours. Run, run. Run, runs. Freedom. Freedom for Wylie. Win the lottery, I'll get your house with a field this big on it. That kind of grid wiring around it. Stop anything getting in or out. Run in, this way. Hey man, is it all yours? Is all this open space yours? Don't know what to do. You're frightened of the tyres? Yeah. Run, this way. Man, this way. Good girl. Come on. Let's go. Round here. Good girl. £7 once every week or two, once every couple of times a month. But you'll like this. It's a little treat. And I can have her off the lead without having to worry about her scampering off. Some loose dog idiot lets the dog frighten her. It's not massive, this field, I quite like it. It's more big enough for her to have some freedom, but not massive like a huge bloody 10-acre plot. No lead. I think half an hour's enough for her. And in. You've got seats out there, so you just let your dog run around and you just sit down. This. Wylie. No, she's got good recall still, even without a lead on. As long as she's not scared by something bounding towards her. Something big and brutal. You happy? Yes, I like this. I feel a lot safer with her in here. Good idea. Dog paddocks. Good idea. Am I sitting that? Shall I sit in that seat or them seats over there? She can't get out anywhere. That's another good thing. Well, you've had the full tour. It's not a massive field, but it's big enough. Gives her lots of freedom to run around. So I'm well happy. I think we might do this again. Thing is, for the £7 you can bring 2 dogs. So if you got any of your doggy friends wants to come, they can come. Right. Are you happy? You've got this big field to yourself and you're still trying to find a way out. Dafty. Is this all yours? Is this all for you? Is this your field? Who feel yourself? That's a clear pigeon shooting over there. Eyeball shooting around. Let's go. I can sit here in the little place that they've got. Well, Madam has a roam around. So I'm sitting here and I'm looking. Happy stiff. Happy safe stiff. Got my timer set for 25 minutes to get out before anyone else can come. Yes, I like this. Much better idea. Warning about loose dog idiots. Scaring her again.
Seasons collide, frozen rivers paint the land white. Northumberland wears winter's pride. Crystal world in a frozen embrace. Time slows down.